The LG B20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the iPhone 11 Pro Max for Verizon Prepaid. So the iPhone 11 Pro Max is now here at Verizon Prepaid. It's finally here. So if you guys are looking to get the iPhone 11 Pro Max on Verizon Prepaid, there you guys have it. It's available now. So there it is. It's available in 4 colors. You guys have silver, gold, space gray, and midnight green there. It's available in 3 storage options, of course. 64 gigs for $1099.99. Oh, 256 gigs, $1249.99, or 512 gigs, $1449.99 now, right? So, yeah. So you guys know what the iPhone 11 Pro Max looks like. It looks like the iPhone 11 Pro, but slightly bigger screen and stuff like that. So there it is. It shows front and back. You guys do dual cameras on the back. Your power button's on the right side. Your volume button is on the left side. So is your switcher key on the left side as well. There's your notch there on the front. It's kind of hard to tell, but it's kind of because it blends in with the wallpaper there very well. You do have your front-facing true depth camera in your earpiece in front. There's the back of there. There's the 3 camera system there on back. There's the left side there with the volume keys and stuff. Back of the iPhone 11 Pro Max, they guys have the 3 cameras. They're all 12 megapixel cameras. And it's also showing you guys it's water resistant as well. So, and there's the back of the phone in all different colors and stuff, so it's really cool. So it says introducing the iPhone 11 Pro Max, a transformative triple camera system that adds ton of capability without complexity. An unprecedented leap in battery life and mind-blowing chip that doubles down on machine learning and pushes the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. Welcome to the first iPhone powerful enough to be called Pro. Unleash the full potential of your iPhone 11 Pro Max with Verizon, America's most awarded network. Alright. So the iPhone 11 Pro Max has 18 hours of usage time, 12 megapixel cameras on back, and a 12 megapixel camera on front. 3.6 inches in width, 6.22 inches in height there. 3 cameras that feel like one. An ultra-wide 13mm lens with a 120-degree field of view. A wide 26mm lens with optical image stabilization and 100% focus crystals, and a 52mm telephoto lens with an f2.0 aperture and 2x optical zoom. Alright, so that's pretty nice. The highest quality video on a smartphone. Okay, shoot 4x video with extended dynamic range at 60 frames. Shoot 4K videos, my bad. So shoot 4K videos at dynamic range at 60 frames per second. Capture 4 times more scene and edit with new tools like rotate, crop, and filters. Okay. High tech meets low light. From dimly lit restaurants to sunsets on the beach, the new night mode delivers natural low light shots automatically. Talking about the A13 chip here, it says lots more power, lots more battery life, so that's good. It says get up to 5 more hours of battery life with iPhone 11 Pro Max. Fast charging with the included 18-watt adapter and A13 Bionic with neutral engine, the fastest chip on a smartphone. So there you have it. So the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max come with the 18-watt adapter, which enables fast charging. If you guys want to get the fast charging on the iPhone 11, you guys will have to buy the adapter separately. Alright, so do keep that in mind. Privacy built in. Face ID is more secure. Face ID is the most secure facial authentication in a smartphone, and it doesn't store or share your photo. Because with iPhone, your privacy comes first. High tech meets low light. Okay, I just talked about this, but I'll talk about it again. From dimly lit restaurants to moonlight beaches. The new night mode uses intelligent software and A13 Bionic to deliver low light shots never before possible on iPhone, and it all happens automatically. You can also experiment with manual controls to dial in even more detail and less noise. Power to the portrait. With 2 cameras working together, you can fit more in your portraits than ever. iOS 13 adds the high key light mode. God damn, what a fucking goddamn, dude. Effect for studio style monochromes, and portrait lighting let you control the intensity of light to flatter your subject, just like you would in a studio. How beautiful is that? Smart HDR. Next generation Smart HDR uses advanced algorithms to finesse highlight and shadow detail in your image. And now it leverages machine learning to recognize spaces in your shot and intelligently relights them. That means iPhone 11 Pro Max can automatically fine-tune detail in both the subject and background. Even some DSLR cameras can't do that. Turn your photo op into a video op. Say you're taking photos and you see something you have got to catch on video. With Quick Take, there's no need to switch modes. Just leave your finger on the shutter to start recording. Want to keep the recording going, swipe right. To take burst photos, swipe left. So if you guys want to use the Quick Take feature, just hold down on the shutter key and it'll take the quick video. If you guys want to continue the recording, swipe right. If you guys want to take burst photos, swipe left. It's pretty simple, you know. Why selfie when you can slowfie? So slow motion selfies here. The new 12 megapixel true depth camera lets you take super fun slow motion selfie videos at 120 frames per second, or shoot in 4K at 60 frames. For stills, the camera now automatically zooms out when you rotate your iPhone, so you can get your whole crew in the shot. Yes, even selfies can be pro. Pro display. The 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display boasts not 1, but 2 new peaks of brightness and understands when to use them. It hits up to 800 nits when you're out in the sun, great for shooting and making selects on the go, and up to 1200 nits when you're viewing extreme dynamic range content. It's like having a Pro Display XDR on your iPhone. And now talking about the processor, which is A13 Bionic. We've custom built A13 Bionic with the focus on machine learning across the entire chip, enabling experiences that simply aren't found on any other smartphone. In fact, it's so fast, so powerful, and so intelligent, it's years ahead of any other chip. What gives you an unfair advantage? Can you be more precise? Yes. The new Apple designed U1 chip uses ultra-wideband technology for spatial awareness, allowing the iPhone 11 Pro Max to precisely locate other U1 equipped Apple devices. It's like adding another sense to iPhone, and it's going to lead to amazing new capabilities. So that's good. So now let's get to the specs on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This has LTE Advanced with 50% faster peak speeds in more than 450 cities from coast to coast. It's also a world device, which means y'all guys can use it in over 200 countries. Usage time 18 hours, 12 megapixel cameras on front and back. The iPhone 11 Pro Max weighs 7.97 ounces. The width of the iPhone 11 Pro 3.6 inches. The height of the iPhone 11 Pro Max 6.22 inches. The depth of the iPhone 11 Pro Max 0.32 inches. And the screen size on the iPhone 11 Pro Max 6.5 inches. That is OLED display there. Built-in rechargeable battery, iOS 13, available in gold, silver, space gray, and midnight green. 3 storage options: 64 gigs, 164 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigs. It has Wi-Fi 802.11 AX and Wi-Fi 6 and stuff like that. It also has HD voice from Verizon, which lets you experience HD voice and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. So it's pretty nice. If you guys need help with your iPhone 11 Pro Max, Verizon is here to help you out with that with device support. So check it out if you guys need to learn how to set up Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, email, and stuff like that for this phone. So check that out. Device support is a great tool to check out. So what comes in the box on the iPhone 11 Pro Max is your standard stuff with the iPhone. You guys get the iPhone 11 Pro Max with iOS 13, AirPods with Lightning connector, USB-C to Lightning cable, 18-watt USB power adapter which will enable fast charging, and you get your documentation. So with all that being said, there you guys have it. iPhone 11 Pro Max now available at Verizon Prepaid, available in 4 colors. Like I said, you have silver, gold, space gray, and midnight green. 3 storage drives and 64 gigs, $1099.99, 256 gigs, $1249.99, or 512 gigs, $1449.99. So there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You guys, it really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.